Dear students, I have given idea about the potential. Now I am going to give you a new topic, that is capacity. That is capacity. You know, if you are giving a charge on any conductor, its potential will increase. But the how much charge it can be held by any conductor is known as its capacity. Let's see again. Capacity holding capability of charge of any conductor is known as capacity of conductor. नाउ किसी भी कंडक्टर को आप चार्ज देते हैं तो उसका पोटेंशियल बढ़ता है. पोटेंशियल जब बढ़ेगा, यानी पोटेंशियल बढ़ाने के लिए, या कह सकते हो आपकी चार्ज देने पर उसका क्या बढ़ता है, पोटेंशियल बढ़ता है. लेकिन यह कितना चार्ज होल्ड कर सकता है, कोई कंडक्टर कितना चार्ज होल्ड कर सकता है, उसकी एक लिमिट है और उसको हम कहते हैं Q. लिमिट को ही हम कह सकते हैं C, where C is the capacity of conductor. You know, now from this formula it will be Q upon V, means coulomb per volt. The unit may be coulomb per volt, or we can write a new unit for you, that is Farad. Farad is a big unit, so we take microfarad. 1 microfarad is equal to 10 to power minus 6 farad. 1 picofarad, that is 10 to power minus 12 farad. 1 nanofarad, 10 to power minus 9 farad. Farad is a big unit. You will go through, then you will find that how it is big. We will discuss later on little bit. But here we use microfarad, picofarad or nanofarad for the next for writing the unit of capacitor. We go through the capacity of a spherical conductor. Let's see. Capacity of a spherical conductor. Capacity of a spherical conductor. Let a sphere of radius A, charges given on it is supposed to be plus Q. So you will find that electric field will be outside, or likewise, or you can say the potential will be here. We can calculate the potential of this spherical conductor is V is equal to 1 over 4 pi epsilon 0 Q upon A. This Q upon V, if we are calculating from this, we are having 4 pi epsilon 0 A. Q upon V is equal to C, that is 4 pi epsilon 0 A. So If a conductor having radius A, we can get the capacity, that is C is equal to 4 pi epsilon 0 A. Means a conductor of radius A having capacity C is equal to 4 pi epsilon 0 A. If you are having, if radius is supposed to be 1 meter, then capacity, we want to calculate C is equal to 4 pi epsilon 0 and radius is supposed to 1 meter, and that value will be 1 upon 9 into 10 to power 9. Now this will be 10 to power minus 9, and that is 9 downward, and then you can solve. This will be a nanofarad order. By this way you can get the value will be nanofarad order. That means a conductor having 1 meter capacity, their radius will be radius is 1 meter, then capacity will be nanometer. If you are having a capacitor of 1 farad, suppose C value is 1 farad, then we can calculate the radius of that capacitor, that conductor. C is equal to 4 pi epsilon 0 A. You put the value of A is equal to 1 over 4 pi epsilon 0 into C. Now this value is 9 into 10 to power 9, and here is a 1 farad, means a conductor having capacity of 1 farad, its radius will be 1 meter. So you can assume that the capacity unit is a big unit. Now that is the a conductor having capability 1 farad, its radius will be 9 into 10 to power 9 meter. This is all about your capacity of a conductor. Thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe and click the bell icon for the further notification. Thank you very much.